What up, guys? We're back in Project Hurricane today, getting ready to tune and test our 150 shots. We're gonna get it rolling right now, then we're gonna make a couple hits, so enjoy. Alright guys, so we got the 150 shot on, we got a new bottle on. It's running great NA, we got our shift points picked up. We're gonna have enough mile an hour, I think, for sure in fourth gear, unless we're gonna try and hit like 130 miles an hour, which would be crazy. So yeah, here goes. This is our first pass on 150 shot on the dyno. What's up, guys? We're here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. We got the car tuned already earlier today. It is hot. I'm talking like 95 to 100 degrees outside. It's a really slow diesel excursion. But everything's set. I think we're gonna go ahead and go hit it. We're gonna check the tire pressure when we're in the lanes. Hopefully we'll get some good video of it. And I'm gonna send it right off the bat with the 150 shot. We're not gonna mess around with running it naturally aspirated. We're just gonna go for the 150 right off the bat. Run out of nitrous. Maybe then we'll do an NA pass, but we'll see how it does. It made 312 to 300 without the nitrous, and then we made anywhere from 400 to 430 horsepower and about 390 foot-pounds of torque on the 150 shots. Pretty happy with that for right now. We did a little adjustments, got it loading up right now, and we'll see what it'll do. Watch my eco out here, obviously. Cody's out here with us today. We got the IS300 and Tommy ready, and obviously we're ready to go. We're at our favorite track, Bradenton Speedway. Let's do it.
All right, so that pass, I think he said he was launching at like 4,500 or 4,000. It's got a stall in it, obviously. Looked like he spun a little bit, and it ran 11.6, which he's already run before. Like I said, it's really hot outside, so we'll see what he says, if it was spinning or not. But to me, it looked like it was spinning, and you might have to tame down the launch a little bit. But we'll go over and meet him and see what's up.
All right, guys, so we ran a 11.66 at 114.4 on that pass, and we blew the tires off. That was a 1.760 foot, and it spun hard almost all the way to second gear. So we're lowering the tire pressure. I think I'm going to try and only hit like 3,800 and then launch it from there, just because we're blowing them off, just because we're spraying the nitrous right off the bat. So we'll see what we can do here. Yeah, I don't really know what else to do. We lowered the tires from 15 to 12. I'm gonna do a longer burnout because these are brand new tires, so they might have just been a little slick, because it really felt like it was gonna move, and it felt like a fast run, but the beginning wasn't as fast as it should have been. So let's do another run.
All right, so like I said, I thought it was spinning. It was definitely spinning. As you saw in the video, it spun a little bit, but that's what we're looking like right now, spinning. So we ran basically the personal best of last time.
Is that still faster than yours?
No, actually, it's 100 slower. But he's 100 slower than me spinning. So I mean, that's not bad.
Spinning in 95-degree heat.
And right, we're lowering the tire pressure, but I mean, I think this thing can do a 1.5 if we can get it to hook. And from there on, it just has to do with how well we can get it to hook and the temperature, but I think it's gonna go pretty good. I think it'll go low 11s, but I guess we're gonna lower the tire pressure now. That's what Caleb's doing, and we're gonna send it and see what we can do. All right, we're rolling back up to the staging lanes. We lowered the tire pressure. Yeah, run number 2. We lowered the tire pressure. What else did we do? We might launch slightly lower. I don't know what Caleb's gonna do.
I'm gonna try.
He's gonna try to launch slightly lower because it's just, I think he said 5. It's just freaking spinning the tires right off the hit. So we gotta see if we can get it to hook. But yeah, let's see what it does. All right, so we're back here. That pass, it definitely hooked better, as you can see, 165, 60 foot, but we think something's going on. Maybe the fuel pressure's dropping. We weren't having this issue on the 100 shot. So I believe Tommy is throwing the jet for the 100 shot back in, change the tune. Gonna go back to the 100 shot and see what it does then, because not quite sure what's going on. But we're just gonna keep playing with it and see what we can get out of it and see if we can figure out what the issue is, because it's not seeming to do, it's not doing what we want it to do. So we're gonna play around with it. Like I said, we're gonna change the shot. And I think the tire pressure was good because the 60 foot was pretty good. Tires wiggle pretty good. But yeah, we're just gonna play with it, see what it does.
All right, guys, so a little disappointed on that one. That one was an 11.7 at 112, so it actually slowed down 2 miles an hour. I got something up with the transmission. It's just not wanting to shift. And I don't know why. We had other cars that shift ridiculously fast, and this one just, it refuses to. And I know that's costing us a lot of time, and it costed me a mile an hour on that run. So I'm not really sure what's going on with it now. Zach got an awesome video of the wrinkle of the tire. So we cut a 1/660 foot. I think I'm gonna launch it a little harder. We'll get a little better, but yeah. So I just don't know. We're gonna go back down to a 100 shot right now, just because we're not doing any better on the 150. So I think the 100 shot, we'll give it a try, and it might just be the heat. I'm not really sure. I'm actually a little worried that we might be having lower fuel pressure, so at the end of the run where it kind of feels like it dies off to me, we might not be spraying. So it has a safety system in the car, so the fuel pressure or the nitrous pressure goes too low, then it quits spraying. So I think that might be happening. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the 100 shot because I know the 100 shot sprays the whole way. You can do a 100 shot on a stock fuel pump. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna basically lower the timing, increase the timing back for the 100 shot. We'll load it and we'll go from there.
Last pass, not the best, something weird going on. Changed out the jets back to 100 shot jets. Hoping that we can fix something here.
We're hoping that we're running out of fuel pressure.
Yeah.
If we're running out of fuel pressure, the car will quit spraying. And it will just run like garbage. So
yeah,
hopefully it works better now.
Yeah, hoping the 100 shot works out and we can just run a decent pass and then figure out the rest later, I guess. Yeah. Bigger fuel pump. Upgrade a fuel pump. I think.
We're just gonna go turbo.
Just turbo. Well, you're gonna need a fuel pump for that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to fuel cell.
Anyways, turbo will be better, but trying to figure this out now so we can get a decent pass tonight.